No. Ganito. Okay, what is this dude doing? What is this dude doing?
Sabi ko sa'yo, turuan mo ako mag-breaststroke.
Ah,
Okay. So,
this is how you do it.
Coach Xiao. Okay? So, we start sa wall. I should do my bubbles
I'm
first.
scared. No. I'm just wetting my hair. I'm scared. I don't want to do this anymore. Wait.
Xiao, paano yung kamay? Just sideways?
Your hands are supposed to go like this.
Like, pero tama yung hands. Oh, hawakan mo nga, coach.
Whatever.
Tara mong goggles, coach.
Ayoko. Di mo kasi dinala yung goggles mo.
Ganon?
Uh-uh.
Ganon yung underwater, hindi siya ganon. Or,
Hindi.
ganon lang. This.
Yeah.
Okay.
Harder. Kuya, why won't you breathe?
Exhale.
Breathe.
Okay. Ulit.
Like, asa mo yung ulo mo?
Oh.
Hindi kasi ganun ka taas. Ganun lang.
Oh, okay, coach.
Bruh. This guy. Anong ginagawa nito? Breaststroke. Hey, why is this guy's kick like this now? Okay, bro. Ana, your kick.
Hindi ko alam gawin yun eh. Yung kamay muna ko yun.
Okay.
So, that one, ganyan lang.
Yeah. No, wag mo taas. Ano? Normal lang kasi. Ganun lang ah. Oh!
Tignan mo.
Ew, kuya.
Coach, calm down.
Okay. Go.
So, shout again. Like,
Yeah. Go.
how do I do it? Like this?
Yeah.
Like that? Okay.
Okay, what is this guy doing? Okay, bro. I'm better. Literally.
You gotta watch the tape to study his stroke.
Yeah, this guy, bro. This guy.
Why?
You have to breathe. Literally.
Yeah, my coach is so mad right now.
You have to breathe.
Smolding coach.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Bro, what is happening? Alam niya na yan. Takot ako mag-backstroke dito. Mauntog kasi ako. Kasi walang flag. Bro. Kuya, every ganon you have to breathe.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna show you. Cause